Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Roar! X3 puzzles pouncing on your uwu, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your blood from across the floor. Nuzzles, you nakey, wakey, tight, rotate, hee. Unzip your belly ass pants off, baby, you're so musky. Take me home, pet me and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me wag my little baby tail off for your woogie boogie. Kisses and lick, kiss your neck. I hope daddy likes nozzles and waddles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch, you think you can help me? Only 7 inches long, uwu, please adopt me! Pause on your balls as I lick my lip. Uwu, punish me please. About to hit him with this furry shit, he don't see it coming.